Yo, YouTube, what up? Phillies bullpen got a 2010 Topps Chrome baseball box break for you. First of all, I want to give a shout out to AtlantaSportsCards.com, sponsored this break. Go check them out. Really great prices, great boxes. Alright, so let's get into this. Hoping for a Strasburg, maybe. Just once. Alright, start her off. First auto. Don't even know how to pronounce this name. Kanikoa Teixeira. On the Mariners, not numbered. Got a refractor of Jose Reyes. Not numbered. Just base. Base again. Tyson Ross, rookie. Got a Yadier Molina Heritage Edition, numbered out of 1961. Just base again. Scott Sizemore, rookie. Brian Mattis, rookie. Just base. Got a refractor of Sean Figgins. Not numbered. Josh Donaldson, rookie. Brennan Bosch, rookie. Refractor of Carlos Beltran. Still looking for that second auto. Just base. Just base again. Just base. Ian Desmond rookie. Alan Craig rookie. Drew Stubbs rookie. Sergio Santos rookie. And a top 206 of Giovanni Gallardo, numbered to 999. Cole Gillespie rookie. John Jay rookie. Let's see how many packs we got left. We got 6 packs left. Just base. A top 206 of Hideki Matsui, numbered out of 999. No, numbered out of 499. That's the refractor version. And our second auto is Alan Craig. It's a decent autograph. Mike McCoy rookie. Carlos Santana rookie. 2 packs left. Steven Strasburg rookie. And to close out the box, a refractor of Carlos Zambrano. So all cards are for trade and for sale. Let me know if you're interested in anything. Thanks, and please subscribe.